Suggestion nga ay kublay pi ki perlok ki bapak ya kani ke video nga Charlie ban ngaprias nga bahai pi sa kani ke YouTube channel. Hagani ke video ke bementa ngan translate na ke English sa ke khasi is nga bahai ya pe ngadu pasdang ngadu bukut kani ke video kanang bapin sino thu ba. In English, what are you doing? In khasi, phile ayu. What are you doing? Phile ayu. In English, what time is it? In khasi, katno baje. What time is it? Katno baje. In English, what is this? In khasi, kae kane. What is this? Kae kane. In English, where do you live? In khasi, phisa shae. Where do you live? Phisa shae. In English, where is he? In khasi, hae udon. Where is he? Hae udon. In English, where have you been? In khasi, phija shae. Where have you been? Phija shae. In English, what happened? In khasi, jia ayu. What happened? Jia ayu. In English, how long will it take? In khasi, katno kan simpor. How long will it take? Katno kan simpor. In English, what is the matter? In khasi, kae kadaw. What is the matter? Kae kadaw. In English, when you will go? In khasi, lano pinlay. When you will go? Lano pinlay. In English, what day is it today? In khasi, menta day sngi ayu. What day is it today? Menta day sngi ayu. In English, how much it is? In khasi, katno kane. How much it is? Katno kane. In English, what really make you angry? In khasi, kae kabapanlong yapi bapindom. What really make you angry? Kae kabapanlong yapi bapindom. In English, how many people? In khasi, kanungut kibriu. How many people? Kanungut kibriu. In English, what did you say? In khasi, piong ayu. What did you say? Piong ayu. In English, how many kids do you have? In khasi, kanungut kikon pidon. How many kids do you have? Kanungut kikon pidon. In English, what will happen? In khasi, kae kaban sajya. What will happen? Kae kaban sajya. In English, what do I do? In khasi, kae ngale. What do I do? Kae ngale. In English, how much you will take? In khasi, hadu katno pinshim. How much you will take? Hadu katno pinshim. In English, what did you see? In khasi, piyo I ayu. What did you see? Piyo I ayu. In English, why did you came? In khasi, balay piwan. Why did you came? Balay piwan. In English, how many you will take? In khasi, kanotli pinshim. How many you will take? Kanotli pinshim. In English, how old are you? In khasi, katnos nam pidon. How old are you? Katnos nam pidon. In English, what was there? In khasi, don ayu hangta. What was there? Don ayu hangta. In English, in which place? In khasi, hakano ka jaka. In which place? Hakano ka jaka. In English, what should I do? In khasi, nganle ayu. What should I do? Nganle ayu. In English, do you eat Chinese food? In khasi, pibam jingbam Chinese. Do you eat Chinese food? Pibam jingbam Chinese. In English, who will see me? In khasi, mano banyu iyanga. Who will see me? Mano banyu iyanga. In English, what should I do for you? In khasi, nganle ayu nakabenta jongpi. What should I do for you? Nganle ayu nakabenta jongpi. In English, what will you do? In khasi, pinsale ayu. What will you do? Pinsale ayu. In English, where is she? In khasi, hae kadon. Where is she? Hae kadon. In English, are you going? In khasi, hato pinlay. Are you going? Hato pinlay. In English, where are you? In khasi, hae pidon. Where are you? Hae pidon. In English, who will do this? In khasi mano banle yakane. Who will do this? Mano banle yakane. In English, have you done? In khasi philadab. Have you done? Philadab. In English, are you coming or not? In khasi phinwan na em. Are you coming or not? Phinwan na em. In English, who will buy? In khasi mano banthian. Who will buy? Mano banthian. In English, who came? In khasi mano bawan. Who came? Mano bawan. In English, how are you? In khasi philong kumno. How are you? Philong kumno. In English, will you do as I say? In khasi phinle kumbanga ong. Will you do as I say? Phinle kumbanga ong. In English, who are you? In khasi phidei mano. Who are you? Phidei mano. In English, who will do as I say? In khasi mano banle kumbanga ong. Who will do as I say? Mano banle kumbanga ong. In English, how is it? In khasi kumno kalong. How it is? Kumno kalong. In English, what have you done for me? In khasi phila le ayu na kabenta junga. What have you done for me? Phila le ayu na kabenta junga. In English, who is this? In khasi mano ine. Who is this? Mano ine. In English, I will do as you say. In khasi ngan sale kumba phiong. I will do as you say. Ngan sale kumba phiong. In English, where are you going? In khasi phin lei shai. Where are you going? Phin lei shai. In English, what is that? In khasi kai kata. What is that? Kai kata. To kudai shibona ba pilepek na do besang do bukut kani ke video. Sakawiru lada phi yo jingtoy lengba kani ke video singa bah like ya kani ke video. Kumjuru share ya kani ke video saki perlok jongpi saki paramajan marpa jongpi. Khnang ba kiru pintip kumba pitip. Te lada pidon ye ban kli dan ban ong singa bah pintip yanga lengba ke comment box. Kudai shibona ya ke por ke bakor dor ke jongpi tedang ya tur sekamat.